Hello all, welcome back to Edu-info. Here we are discussing about some basic concepts of chemistry from 11th standard. Firstly, what is chemistry? Chemistry is the branch of science which deals with the study of composition, properties and structures of matter. Okay, let us know the importance and scope of a chemistry in our daily life. Firstly, importance and scope of chemistry. In agriculture, chemistry plays a vital role in manufacturing chemical fertilizers and insecticides, fungicides, and pesticides. Okay, and food preservatives like in chips packets, you have observed that they spray nitrogen to protect them from spoiling. Okay, and also pickles, they will be added sodium benzoate to protect from spoiling. Okay, medicine in medical field and to prepare or manufacture anesthetics, analgesics, antipyretics, and tranquilizers, antibiotics. Chemistry for giving us new materials such as superconducting ceramics, conducting polymers, optical fibers, microalloys, carbon fibers. Then chemistry in war, in preparing atom bombs and hydrogen bombs. It is responsible for the discovery of highly explosive substances such as dynamite, TNT, nitroglycerin. Okay. Next, let's see nature of matter. What do you mean by matter? Matter is nothing but anything that has mass and occupies space. What is mass? Mass is nothing but amount of matter in a body. Examples: water, gases, stone, table, mud, human beings, animals, scale, oil, milk, anything you can see around you. It's an example for matter. Then matter can be classified into two ways: physical classification of matter and chemical classification of matter. Let's see what are the physical classification of matter. For this, we will also call it as states of matter. You already learned in ninth standard which are states of matter. There are three states of matter. Firstly, solids, liquids, then gases. Let's see the properties of states of matter. Solids have definite shape and volume. Liquids definite volume but not definite shape. They don't have definite shape. Then gases do not have definite shape and volume. Okay. So look at this image. So here particles, consider this as a particles. These particles are closely arranged in case of solids. So here comparatively, when we compare these particles with the solid, they are loosely arranged. Okay. Then gases. In gases, particles are randomly arranged. Here one particle, here one particle. Between them we have space, more space between particles in gases. Okay, that's why they do not have definite shape. And liquids, I already told that they have a definite volume but not shape. But liquids takes the shape of the container. Here in this glass, liquid takes a glass shape. In this bowl, liquid takes this bowl shape. Like that, liquids take shape of the container. For solids, examples wood, table, copper and iron rod. For liquids, milk, water, oil, etc. For gases, you can take gases like oxygen, nitrogen, LPG, CNG and hydrogen, all these kinds of things. Okay, on to next slide. Let's see chemical classification of matter. First one, pure substances. Examples, gold in its pure state, gold and copper, water, glucose, sodium chloride, etc. So, what are pure substances? Pure substances are the substances consist of single type of particles or definite proportion. Single type of particles or definite proportions like water, glucose, sodium chloride. Wherever you take them, they will be having definite proportions. Okay. Next, again, these pure substances can be classified into two types. First one, elements. Second one, compounds. What are elements? Elements are the simplest form of pure substances. In elements, we can see single type of particles. Examples, hydrogen, oxygen, sodium, mercury, gold, etc. For example, if you take hydrogen, how we will write? Hydrogen never exists in free state, so we will write it H2. Okay, so H2 both are hydrogen only, same kind of particles. Okay, then in case of oxygen also. So in our periodic table, you know that there are 118 elements. 118 elements, among them 92 are naturally occurring and remaining elements are prepared in lab. Okay, artificial or synthetic. Okay, let's move on to compounds. What are compounds? Compounds are nothing but two or more elements combined together in a definite proportion by mass. For example, you can take water, it will be containing hydrogen and oxygen in a fixed ratio by mass, 1 is to 8 by mass. Okay. Next one, carbon dioxide. Carbon is one element and oxygen is one element. Together they form a compound. Okay, they are in fixed ratio of 3 is to 8. Okay, in compounds, two or more elements in a fixed ratio. For example, water and carbon dioxide. Next, mixtures. You all might have eaten mixtures like that only. That mixtures, how it will be mixed with lot of stuffs like that. Mixtures are combination of two or more elements or compounds in any proportion. In case of compounds, you learned that it is in a fixed ratio, but in case of mixtures, there will be no fixed ratio or no fixed proportion. Okay, and here two or more elements or compounds will be there. Again, mixtures are classified into two types. First one is homogeneous mixture and second one is heterogeneous mixtures. Let us see what are homogeneous. So let's discuss about homogeneous mixture. Homo means same or uniform. Let's see what do you mean by homogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixtures are the mixtures which contains two or more substances that are evenly distributed. Remember this word, evenly or uniformly distributed with each other. For example, so here it is not heterogeneous, it is homogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixtures are also called solutions. Okay, homogeneous mixtures are also called solutions. For example, air, seawater, brass, gasoline. Okay, so in air, you all know that air consists of many gases such as oxygen, nitrogen, hydrogen, like that, but they are in fixed proportion. That's why air is an example for homogeneous mixture. Wherever you take, wherever you go, air will be having all gases in a fixed proportion. Okay, they will not vary from place to place. Okay, sea water, wherever you drink sea water, you feel tasty on, sorry, salty only. Okay, brass is a alloy and gasoline. These are the example for homogeneous mixtures. And look at this image. So you can also do it at home. Take one glass, add some water, and add pinch of salt. Stir it well. After some time, you observe that. What you will observe? See here. So that salt will completely dissolve in water, right? And it become salt solution. Same thing you can do it with sugar also. Add some sugar into the water and stir it well. Observe after some time what happened. It become sugar solution, right? That sugar will dissolve completely, uniformly throughout the water. So it is both are examples for solution and also homogeneous mixture. You all know that homogeneous mixture are also called solutions. Okay. Then, so let us know a few things about solution. In solutions, two components will be there. First one is solvents, solvent and solvent plus solute together gives solution. Okay, solvent and solute together gives us solution. So identify from this water and sugar which one is solvent and which one is solute. Yes, water is solvent. Why? Because it is dissolving other substance in it. Solute is salt. Salt is a solute. Why? It is dissolving in other substance, dissolving in water. Same thing you can take in case of sugar plus water. So water becomes solvent and sugar will become solute, right? So next, let us move on to hetero. Okay, let's move on to heterogeneous mixture. Hetero means different. Okay, a mixture is said to be heterogeneous if its composition is not uniform throughout. It is just opposite to homogeneous mixture. In homogeneous mixture, composition will be uniform throughout the solution, but here it is not uniform. Okay. Next, for example, mud, soil. You can take soil, it will be mixed with some stones, small stones and other dirty things. And mud water, mixture of iron fillings, soil, etc. Okay, look at this image. Take one glass, add some water, pour some mud or soil. What happens? It goes down and settle down. Okay, so that soil won't dissolve in this water. This is called heterogeneous mixture, and this we cannot call it as solution. Heterogeneous mixtures are not a solution. Okay. Then classification of matter chart will be here. You can take a screenshot of it. Firstly, physical classification, chemical classification. Again, physical classification, states of matter classified into three: solids, liquids, gases. Chemical classification, pure substances and mixtures. Further, pure substances classified into two types: elements Compounds, again compounds into two types. They are inorganic compounds and organic compounds. Mixture further classified into two types, homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixtures. Okay, I hope you understood. Thank you all.